On April 27th, 16,000 students who attended Corinthian colleges found themselves shut out. On Sunday, the schools notified the students that they would be closing, and on Monday they closed. What does this actually mean? Well, for 16,000 students who attended Corinthian college institutions, they may find that they have an unexpected tax bill in 2016. How does that actually work? Well, when a school closes, students have two choices of what they can do. They can take their credits to another school, which may be difficult in this situation, where some schools may not take the credits for Corinthian, or students can decide to have their loans discharged. But what's the issue with discharge of loans? Taxes. If the loans get discharged, the amount that is discharged becomes income, payable immediately. The question is, do these students necessarily have the money to pay the taxes that are discharged? Probably not. This is simply unfair. On top of having their school closed, students must decide to have their student loans discharged and will end up paying money that they don't have. Well, how are we going to solve this issue? What our bill does, it ensures that the discharge of federal and private student loans that come as a result of the Corinthian college's closings does not create taxable income for those people who were something. Now let's take a quick look at one of the key locations where these schools were located. This is a map of Southern California. The red dots indicate where all the schools were in Southern California. As you can see, they're spread across the greater Los Angeles area. Now here's what one student said of their experience to the Los Angeles Times. They said that their last 2.5 years I spent going to that school, the trouble, the time, the money I spent on gas, I feel like it was a waste of time. Said a 25-year-old Namar. I'm pretty much at a complete loss right now. I'm not even sure what the next step is. Well, if she accepts the discharge of income, the next step could be taxes. And that's why this bill is needed. Michael Gleason, Jim McDermott's office, Washington.